A day in the life of a frugal living couponer, from scratch enthusiast, and wannabe homesteader who is currently cosplaying as a functional adult. But first we need coffee. Featuring the $1.29 creamer I got last week, now I'm stocked up for the next 3 months. It was also Misha's 10th birthday last week, so naturally I made pup cakes. Just look how cute these turned out. Then of course my Mary Ruths in the morning. Don't forget you can get 15% off when you use this code. Then it was on to some yard sales. We got a like new futon for $10, a like new purifier for only $5, and a brace for my husband's boy toy for only $5, normally $100. I ended up getting some canning done too, I love that for us. I also had Desperate Housewives screaming in the background because I finished all 8 seasons and I'm currently in a withdrawal. Just drop me on Wisteria Lane and just leave me there to rot. Then the Aldi Isle of Shame claimed another victim. I found these glass fruit keepers and the main event, a burrito sniffing mat for the dogs. Yes, they roll up like actual burritos. I also grabbed baking and travel gear, but I could talk an hour about this haul. I finished the day off with making bread for the week and stocking up our freezer. Then I had to go check on my plant babies. It's been really muggy and I needed them hydrated, not baked. My strawberries and avocado trees were looking so good. Just waiting for the day I get actual avocados. That's all for now. Stick around for more recipes, Dog Mom Chaos, coupon content, and more. Saving you money so you can spend it in the Isle of Shame.